baby, there's my baby.
Okay.
My baby, my baby.
You need to look at her because
Ito natin yung placenta. Wala namang sign ng hemorrhage na na-cause ng
It's
pagkakabaksak
supposed to
mo.
be
Wala naman
gray, but
separation ng ano.
inside here,
Wala naman.
it's not
how
gray.
big is the baby, doctor?
Ito, measure.
The baby's moving.
Yan yung spines niya. Ayan,
Wow.
spines.
See that?
It's the spines.
The bones of Miles.
Yeah, I
Fine.
see her hands. I saw her hands really, really one time. I mean 2 times. No, I mean 3 times. So, I mean 10 times. No, I mean 100 times.
Ah, di ba anniversary? Mag-anniversary na kayo? November yun eh.
First week.
Oh, saan gagawin?
Sa PICC.
PICC.
No, it's 13 times.
Busy sa pag-prepare ng program.
Oh,
As usual.
Ah, sure. So,
I thought you were just going to check the people first.
we already.
2 ways to check the baby.
okay, we can check
Yeah.
again. Yes, yes.
Doctor, is
Okay,
this
naman
where
natin.
you get the picture?
Yes. It's the printer.
Measuring the head. Head yan.
Okay naman. Kung ano yung laki, yung edad, yung
They're moving faster and
Baka
faster.
yung mami ang hindi okay.
Alam mo naman ako eh.
Running.
Oo. Oh, ayan yung sex niya.
Oh.
Okay.
Gusto talaga makita agad.
Teka. Hindi masyado kasi nakaipit.
Sana. You don't wanna see it.
Going to get the picture.
Girl talaga, that one there.
Parang ayaw pa ng girl. We love you, Miles. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Bakala ko mukha.
Hindi. Ayan o, puwet. Ito yung hita niya.
Puwet.
Another hita.
Name wet.
Puwet. You know puwet? Huh? Do you know what puwet is?
Button
Ayun.
baby.
Do you know what
yeah,
puwet
there.
is? Pag
There's
ano,
the
pag
baby
girl
of
yan.
mouth, vagina.
Oo. Pag
Puwet.
ano yung balls. below.
Wet.
You know what puwet is?
Yeah, there, but
Butt. Yeah.
Red.
Your butt is big ba?
Hey,
Ah,
other
is it
blood
big?
there.
Ha?
Right there.
Nakaano siya, makita yung face, nakaano. So, nothing to worry, pati water, everything okay siya. Everything okay.
How about the mommy? Maybe it's the mommy. Pain will, will remain if you think of it. It has to remain. So you're asking for it.
Kompleto ka pa ng vitamins mo.
Thank you, Doc. You're always a hero to us.
Okay.